Hey everyone, today on Who, What, Where, When, How To, we're going to be showing you how to make KD Kraft dinner. Everybody's favorite meal. Well, not everybody, but it's a good one. So I know there's instructions on the box and I know it's pretty simple, but some people haven't been taught or haven't been shown how to make it. So I'm going to show you how to make it. That way, if it's your first time cooking or you've just never made it before and you like to see a video of how to do it, here it is. So, what you're gonna need is some Kraft dinner, a box of Kraft dinner. You're gonna need milk. We use almond milk because we don't do dairy, but you can use regular milk. Regular milk tastes best, 2%. But you can use 1%, skim, almond, coconut milk, any kind of milk you want. Then what you're going to need is butter. I use, this is margarine. I use Basil, original. You're going to need salt. And you're going to need a measuring cup of a 1/3. Now you don't need to measure it all out, but do it the first time with the measuring cup, and that way you know, and then the second time you won't have to use the measuring cup. You're going to need a spoon to stir, and you're going to need a measuring cup, and also you'll need a pot. Okay, so the first step in making Kraft dinner is to grab 6 cups of water. Now, like I said, when you first do it, just measure out the 6 cups, pour it into the pot, and that way next time when you do it, you'll just know how much you have to fill up the pot. So the first time, do it with the measuring cup. Okay, so this is my 6 cups, so I'm just gonna pour it in. You're going to grab your lid, and you're going to put your lid on, and then you're going to turn the stove on to high heat. And then you're going to let the water boil. Now, I'll come back in it should take about 5 minutes to boil the water. So once the water is boiled, I'll show you, and I'll show you how you know when the water is boiled. Okay guys, so our water has fully boiled, and you can tell by the smoke. Now if you take off the lid, you can also tell because it's bubbling up, and so once you see the water bubbling and smoking, then you know it's fully boiled. So the first step to what I would do is I would add some salt. You just want to add maybe 10 shakes. Okay, so what you're gonna do once your water is boiled, you're gonna open the box. And you're gonna find a pack of cheese. So you want to set this aside, and you're gonna dump this into the pot. Now what I like to do is grab your spoon and give it a quick stir, because the pasta will stick to the bottom of the pan if you don't do this. So give it a quick stir. So set your clock for 6 minutes. And that's usually how long it takes to cook this pasta. I'll show you what to look for when it's done, but we're gonna let this pasta sit for about 6 minutes, and then we'll be back and I'll show you. Also, what you wanna do is every once in a while you wanna stir from the bottom, because they tend to stick at the bottom of the pot. So you wanna just go in every maybe 2-3 minutes and stir it. Okay, so what we're gonna do next is, once you've tried it, then what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn off your stove, and you're gonna just drain this in the sink. So grab this and drain it in the sink. Okay, and then you put in 1/3 cup of milk, pour it in there, And then you're gonna get 1 tablespoon of butter, of margarine. So you just wanna scoop it out and you wanna put it in there. And this is off the heat right now. Then you're gonna get your spoon and you're gonna just mix it around, and you're gonna make the butter's gonna melt and the milk is gonna combine with the butter. And once you see the butter dissolved, this is the way I like to do it, because if you add the cheese when the butter is still a full stick there, then it's gonna take longer to melt. So then what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the cheese, not literally, we're gonna cut the cheese packet and we're gonna pour the cheese in. And then you're just gonna stir it up. And you just keep stirring around until the cheese is blended in nicely. Make sure you get the bottom. And I'll show you when it's done. But you just basically won't see any more really orange spots. Like, see here how there's a really orange spots, powdery areas. You'll just keep turning until that is out. And remember, this is off the heat, so no more heat. You turned off your stove, and you don't need any more heat because the pasta is already hot. And that's it. You're gonna get a plate, a bowl, you're gonna put it in, and you're gonna enjoy your dinner. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this how-to video on how to make KD Kraft dinner. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment below. Again, I know this is easy to make, but some people just don't have experience and have never made anything. So that's why I make these videos, to show people that don't really have anyone to show them, or they just like seeing it visually. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you. I hope this helped. Please feel free to subscribe. It really helps me. Put a like and leave a comment. Legend says I reply to every comment. Thank you guys, and we'll see you on the next one.